Do you know there are ways to get away with someone's money without stealing it or paying it back? Of course not. It is called the force majeure clause. Alright, you have your attention. Here's how it works. Imagine a client places an order for your goods or services, but suddenly a pandemic or a natural disaster of any sort happens. You can simply invoke the clause to escape liability. It must have been stated at the initial agreement, contained as a clause in the contractual document, and boom, you are free to go. So any random challenge in a not quite, it has to be a severe challenge. War, a pandemic, a hurricane rolls in and shuts down the world. It has to be something really huge. And most importantly, it must be spelled out in the contract. It must be contained in the agreement. Parties must have decided that this will be relied upon in case of any such event. Oh wow. In addition, you must prove that you did everything within your power to fulfill the obligation. Subscribe for more tips. Stay out.